Hey guys, so I was looking at some of my greens, and something has really been eating them. And I found the corporate guys, and there he is. Yeah, it's him. hmm But the brother gotta go. He gotta go today. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I'm sorry I have to do a voiceover because it is so windy outside. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Good Sunday morning, everyone. This is Linda. So today I'm sharing my tomato plant with you all. Now this tomato plant has been growing all fall long. She yeah, all fall she been here. Now she have lots and lots of tomatoes, but she looks like she been um, in the garden all fall. She really looks really bad. She have lots of yellow leaves and leaves of just dying, but she have so many tomatoes. She's still making flowers. So um, I just decided to just let her stay with my little helper here. Just to let her stay and just collect the tomatoes, and let's just see what happens. But as you can see, she's been really beat up by the cold, the rain, the wind, whatever it is. Yeah, she took a beating from it, but she's still producing. But it's tough. It's tough being a tomato in the winter, I tell you. Yeah. But anyway, guys, let's move on. So today I'm going to feed my garlics. Yeah, I'm going to give my garlic some fertilizer today. But before I give them fertilizer, I need to clean up this bed here. Um, the grass and everything, of course, in my Zone 9 garden grows very fast, very fast. So, but one thing it is that the grass is very easy to come up because the soil is so composted there. They have a lot of compost matter in here. So it's very easy for the grass to come up. So I'm just going about taking up all the grass in here and the weeds, and yeah, we're gonna make it right. We're gonna make it right. But my garlic is doing fine, as you can see. They all are really growing well. And even though I don't remember exactly how many um, how many um, garlic plants I planted, but during during the course of my garlic, when I need garlic for my dinner, yeah, I come out here and I harvest one of these garlics. Yep, and I clean them and I cut them up and put them in my meal. You know, I'm not just waiting for them to get these big bulbs before I use them. Right. If I need a garlic now, I'm gonna use it now. Yeah. That's just what I do, y'all. It's just what I do. Yeah. But as you can see, the weeds is very easy to come up, and so one thing I noticed, and I've always had these in my garden, and that is cutworms. Now, I don't know if you all have cutworms in your garden, But yeah, I have cutworms, and sometimes they are so. I don't like cutworms, y'all. So let me show you what a cutworm look like. That is a cutworm. Yeah, yeah. Now he's fat. Yeah, he's been growing off of that 5'11", I tell you. Yeah, but that's a cutworm. Yeah. But today, y'all know I'm put that 5'11" on these babies. Ooh. Yeah, so now, I don't measure, how much 5'11" I put in there. But yeah, I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna shake it up. Now, this water that I'm using is my super juicer. So the water that I have all of my brassicas in, a lot of brassica leaves is in that water. Banana leaves, Lead Farmer 73 gave us that little tip. It's in there. So that's the water. And it also have 511 in it. So yeah, I'm gonna give them a good drink here this morning. They getting a good drink of that good old 511, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yup. Everybody getting a good drink. Yeah. If you are new to the channel and you don't know what I call 511, yeah, it is fish emulsion. This is what I call 511, y'all. So, yeah. So this is something I feed my garden all of the time. So these are my smaller kohlrabis I had in a very small bed, and I'm going to transplant them into pots because I need the bed. I need to clean up that bed and get this bed prepared for the spring. So here is a harvest of some greens I did yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna cook those for my sister and my friend when I go to her house next week. That's what we're gonna have. And I'm gonna harvest some kohlrabi, y'all. Yeah. But today I'm putting these kohlrabis into separate containers because yeah, I need that bed. I need to clean that bed up. As I said, there's a lot of beds I'm not keeping, but some I am. So the ones that I am keeping, I want to get them right. So in this container, I have some compost and some black cow in here. Yeah, that is all that is in this bucket. Now, in this bag, I have some bone meal, blood meal, Epsom salt, perlite, and I think vermiculite is in this bag. Yeah. And I'm gonna add that bag to the container. And of course, y'all know I'm gonna give them all some of that 511. Yes. You're gonna get some 511 today. Everybody gonna get some. Mm. I'm gonna have a happy garden, y'all. All right, so these are my pots that I purchased from Dollar General. And I'm thinking this pot was like 10 cents. You can't get no better than that, y'all. But so I'm putting these kohlrabis in these pots, and everybody is done. And I have all of them in the pots, 511. Everybody's happy. Yeah, it's been a long Sunday morning, I tell you, but it's been a beautiful one. I've enjoyed every moment here in my garden. Yeah, and the purple ones back there. Everybody got some 511 this morning, as I said. So it's been a great day. I hope that you all also have been having a wonderful day also. Yeah, I hope all is well with you and your families. I'm just trying to stay on top, getting it all together, one part at a time. with this garden. Yeah. Just trying to prepare myself. But anyway, guys, here is my freesias today. This is the way they look today. But I want to thank you all for stopping by. Yeah, thank you for stopping by and just hanging out with me for a little while. I've enjoyed having you all. And to all of the new subscribers, thank you all so much. Enjoy.